Remote access in Tally ERP9. With Tally ERP9's remote technology, you can stay connected with your business anytime, anywhere. You are no longer restricted to your office, as TallyNet allows you to access your company data on the go. It enables an authorized person to work with company data without physical access to the computer. While you are at the branch office or at a client's location, you can view a report or past transactions, while other users at the head office or another branch office can continue to work on the same data. Further, CAs can finish auditing faster because instead of traveling to your office, they can audit and print the required documents. The remote access capability is an inexpensive and secure mode to access your data remotely and can be set up with very little additional requirements in terms of software or hardware. While creating user login, you can authorize a user to access company data remotely. As shown here, you have to select the security type as TallyNet user, enter valid TallyNet ID as username, and set the option Allow Remote Access to Yes. Your TallyNet password can be used for remote access also. Please note that only users with a valid TallyNet ID can be given remote access to company data. Once your company is connected to TallyNet, the users authorized for remote access can log in from a Tally ERP9 installed at remote location by entering a valid TallyNet username and password. Let us assume that your salesperson meets a customer and collects a check. Here, a money receipt has to be given to the customer. In such a case, the salesperson can access Tally ERP9 running in your office by simply logging in as a remote user. There he can enter the receipt voucher and print the money receipt on the customer's printer. These possibilities enable quicker decisions, smoother sales, and collection activities, as information can be accessed anytime from anywhere. Overall, this saves time and effort, and most importantly, ensures that the latest information is available at your fingertips at all times. During remote access, both the computer containing the data and the remote computer act as clients to TallyNet. This ensures that the computers are protected and the computer holding the data is never visible on the internet. The magic is the data never moves from the original machine. Only the processed information is displayed via TallyNet at the remote location. You have complete control over whom you want to provide remote access to your company data. You can authenticate any number of TallyNet users irrespective of whether the user is created in your Tally ERP9 or not. However, only one TallyNet user can access data remotely with a single user Tally license, and 10 users can access concurrently with a multi-user license. You can view updates immediately, which is unlikely with data copying and sync methods. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.